Big changes are coming to how we use Messenger on our computers. Meta has officially announced that it is retiring the standalone Messenger.com website. Today we're going to walk through exactly what this means for you, the deadlines you need to know, and where you'll be sending your messages from now on. First, let's talk about the timeline. Meta is now notifying users that Messenger.com will officially go away in April 2026. You might have already seen a pop-up in your app or on the website explaining this change. Starting that month, the separate site will no longer be available for messaging. So, how do you message from a laptop or a desktop? Once Messenger is gone, you will be automatically redirected to facebook.com/messages. While you can still message on the web, it will now be fully integrated back into the main Facebook site rather than existing as a separate platform. If you were looking for a standalone desktop app to replace the website, there's more news. Meta already shut down the separate Messenger desktop app for Windows and Mac back in October 2025. However, the Messenger mobile app is not going anywhere and remains a primary way to stay connected. This update is important for those who use Messenger but don't have a Facebook account. If that's you, you won't be able to use the new web redirect. Instead, Meta states that you must continue your conversations on the Messenger app. Why the sudden shift? For years, Meta planned to integrate Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram into one universal inbox. However, they've recently pivoted to bringing messaging back into the main apps to drive engagement. This also reduces cost and labour by maintaining fewer platforms. A major factor appears to be Meta's recent legal victory against the FTC. Meta originally wanted to meld its messaging systems together to make it impossible for the government to force them to sell off WhatsApp or Instagram. Now that a judge has ruled in Meta's favour, they may no longer feel the need for that fail-safe integration. To recap, mark your calendars for April 2026. If you're a desktop user, get ready to head back to facebook.com/messages. For everyone else, the mobile app is your best bet for uninterrupted service. It's a significant shift in Meta's strategy, moving away from separate tools and back to a centralized Facebook experience.